Hello YouTube, Connor Comics here, and today I'm going to be doing a review of Earth 2 Volume 1 The Gathering in the New 52. These are all the people that have worked on the book, the writers, the pencilists, the inkers, the letterers, and the original series and cover artists. So yeah, if you want to pause it now and look at the names, so yeah, those are the people that have worked on the book. This book collects issues 1 to 6, and the writer of this book worked on Starman, and the artist worked on Birds of Prey. If you've read any of those series and you enjoyed the art or you enjoyed the writing, then you might enjoy this book. I don't know what any of those series is like, but I suppose if you've read them and you like them, then you might like this. I don't know. I haven't read those series, but yeah. So yeah, I really enjoyed this book. It's the beginning of this was pretty similar to what happened in the Justice League book by Jeff Johns, where basically parademons attacked. But in this way, it happened a different way. I'm not gonna say how the outcome ended. Some people might know, but I don't want to spoil it. But I really liked how the beginning of this book was. Just the first issue alone was epic, but also so tragic at the same time. I don't want to go into too much detail about it. It was just such a good issue. I think that's my favorite issue that I've read in a while. Sorry if I sound sick. I've got a sore throat. I've been sniffling, and I just feel like crap. But I'm still doing a review for you guys, so lucky you guys, I suppose. But yeah, in this book we have the origin of the Flash of this world, which is Jay Garrick, who gets his power from the god. Is it Mercury? No, it's I don't think it is. It Mercury. I is not sure. Yeah, it is Mercury. Sorry, I was just making sure. So yeah, you basically get the origin of Jay Garrick and Mercury giving him his powers. So I enjoyed how it's slightly different than in Earth 1, where it's he gets his power from a lightning bolt striking him. And this is what the suit looks like. I really quite like the suit. It's still got the sort of classic look with the helmet with the spikes, but sort of visor on the front. I like how it has bits of a modern version and the classic combined together. And this is Jay Garrick, but he's younger and not older, how we've seen him in previous books. We also get the origin of Green Lantern in this universe, which is Alan Scott. And his was slightly different to what I thought it was. He sort of gets it from the Earth giving him his power. Now that plays into the story later on. But yeah, that's his suit is pretty like standard for a Green Lantern, green everywhere. But yeah, we have who else is here? We have one of the villain in this book is Solomon Grundy. And the way that he is linked in with the Green Lantern, I thought was a clever way. We also have in this, it's a sort of team of 4 members. We have Hawkgirl, and we have the Atom. So if you're watching any of the CW TV shows, some of the characters in here might seem familiar to you, because we've had the whole Earth 2 thing happening on The Flash. So you've been introduced to Jay Garrick, you've been introduced to Hawkgirl, you've already been introduced to Atom if you watch The Arrow, or Arrow, sorry, The Arrow, and also here you're getting Green Lantern thrown in there. So it's a sort of cool ragtag team. Now they're not a perfect team straight away, and you sort of see that near the end of the book. That obviously when the volumes progress, you're gonna see the team slowly come together and new heroes be introduced. But yeah, I really enjoyed this volume. I can't wait to pick up the next volume. I just don't know when that'll be because I have no money at the moment. Sad face. Um, but yeah, I would highly recommend this if you want to see alternate universe versions of your favorite characters. Like some of mine are Flash and Green Lantern, and seeing another Hawk Girl and another Atom, because I haven't read any comics with the Atom in it. Like I've seen him on the TV show, but I haven't seen him in an actual comic, and his whole origin is really different, but I really quite enjoy it. But yeah, tell me if you've read this book and what your thoughts are, and tell me if my review was helpful and if you're planning to pick it up or if it's not your thing. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in another video. Bye.